All right, nurses, I've got another mnemonic here for you. This one's kind of short. This helps you remember exercise guidelines. So those can be, with so many exercise guidelines out there online and whatnot, it kind of is hard to remember what you as a nurse can really recommend to your patient. And it really depends on what's going on with them and, if they're a heart patient and whatnot. You really got to check, with the physician. But this mnemonic is to help you remember relative, if everything is okay and they're not severely compromised, this is a pretty good recommendation for most patients. Now, keep in mind, most, not all. This does not fit every single patient. Remember to use your clinical judgment when making exercise recommendations and always clear that with the physician first. But you will have patients that, hey, when can I start working out again? How much can I work out? There are some people that this is a very big part of their life. So the acronym or the mnemonic is FIT, F-I-T, very easy to remember. F, frequency. They're going to want to know how often can I work out. The general recommendation is 3 times a week. The I is intensity. How intense can I work out? Usually the recommendation is about 60 to 80% of maximal heart rate. So, to do that, they're really going to have to know their heart rate. But a lot of these people that are really into working out, they've got a Fitbit or they've got something that can monitor their heart rate. So about 60 to 80% of the maximum is a safe place to be. And then T, time. If they're doing aerobic activity, you want to give them a time reference. So, are they safe for 30, 60, 90 minutes of aerobic activity? So that's something you really want to get that number from the physician, but they're going to want to know how long can I engage in this aerobic activity. So the mnemonic is FIT, F-I-T. You want to let them know their frequency, their intensity, and time to make sure that you're covering all your bases with their recommendations from the physician.
This has been another episode of the Nursing Mnemonics podcast by NRSNG.com with your host, Katie Kleber, RN, CCRN. To grab all of our nursing cheat sheets, head over to NRSNG.com/freebies. That's NRSNG.com/freebies. Thank you so much for being here today. We love you guys. We thank you so much. We want to see you guys succeed. Listen, we're all in this together. Now go out and be your best self today. Happy nursing.